Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I want to feature today our quick card panels that are new for July and all of the holidays. So this display board shows a little bit from several of the different packages. There's 7 different ones, and let's take a closer look at the package. We have quite a variety. You can see as much as possible here. So this set has birds, and on the other side you have all of these trucks and things with wheels. So in each package you're going to get 2 sheets of the pattern you see at the front and 2 more of the pattern showing from the back. The next set has the poinsettias and some beautiful arrangements with that, and some traditional inspirational Christmas here on the back. This one has Santas and more wreaths and greenery and some beautiful designs. This set has kitty cats and puppy dogs. This set with all the winter snowmen, and on this side we've got gnomes. Lots of fun. This one has more inspirational themes, and our little cherubs and angels here on the reverse side. And those 6 are sizes that give you all different counts of cards within the package. And if you look here on the panel, you'll see that it says 4 colorful image sheets make 14 beautiful cards, and that would be a minimum. Whereas with this one is our sampler, and I've taken designs that were in the other sets and I've reduced them so that you get more on each page. And this set, again, reviewing some of the ones from other sets, but in a smaller scale. They still have additional messages to choose from, and you'll get 5 on each sheet. And then this side as well, I took some favorites and reduced them to a smaller scale, and I'll show you how all of that comes together in the cards that we've made. So when you have the full sheet, to start working with it, and perhaps you want to enjoy using some of our dies. Now, of course, you can just cut square edges. You could leave a little bit of white on the edge if you want. Like me, you might enjoy doing a torn edge, and then you would have a thin white edge that was irregular going all the way around. But we've designed the scale of these to work for A2 and slim size cards. And we have 2 beautiful sets of dies, the frames and borders and the decal cutting dies. And we worked things out to where your A2 cards are going to have the perfect decal in this set, and your slim cards are going to have the perfect decal in this set. So that gives you a sure way that you know you can die cut those shapes. And to get it into your die cutting machine, you're probably going to have to start somewhere with a cut across, either horizontal or vertically, depending on the range of designs. But do a cut that comes just inside that black edge, for example, and then you'll be able to use any of the selected messages you want. And another cut across the top will let you get either of these run through your die cutting machine with the dies. I found as well that our pop frame cutting dies have a large wavy pattern that you might choose to die cut some of these. It will cut away a little bit on the A2 sizes, but that does give you a fun option as well. So here you can see an array of cards that I did simply from the sampler set. And with these smaller images, you have more die options, particularly the ovals work quite nicely. And this allows me to decorate more of the card in some different ways. And this one you can see the torn edge, which is kind of fun and fits with the puppy dogs like they've been chewing things up. But on these other ones, I happen to use glitter techniques on all of them. And I wanted to show you, let's see, I'll just mention different widths of double-sided tape, work quite nicely for borders. This one, I even created a plaid with it. And these glitters are all ultra-fine FranTastic glitter mixes. And on this one, I used a fine tip glue pen that would allow me to get all of the detail just with a bit of doodling. So let's take a look at the glitters here. So this is the FranTastic Glitter Holiday Collection. And what's unique about the FranTastic glitters, it means that I've done some crazy mixes of several colors, and it gives me some beautiful shades of color. On the back, we've listed all the names, and we had some fun with the holiday names here of Cranberry and Poinsettia and Merry Pink, Fireside, Golden Bell. So all of the different greens, the different reds were all planned out so that I would have colors that worked with all of the different quick cards. So for example, let's see here, we've got all the names on them. So the Cranberry red is a really rich, deep red color. And all of the ultra fine, the two colors you can barely distinguish between the colors in the mix because they're ultra fine and they mix beautifully, but they give you a duotone kind of result when you use them. So there's a cranberry red, and then there's a beautiful poinsettia red, and there's a merry pink, and there's a fireside red. And again, you can see how this worked into some of the warmer colors in this little card. And so there's different shades of color that you can mix and blend together. And the 14 jar kit will give you a great value by having the variety. But then if you have favorite colors, of course, you can get a larger jar of any one of them. So that gives you some wonderful ideas of how you can take the quick cards, and when you particularly need to do quick cards for holiday and Christmas, you can enjoy starting from the full color panels, and then you can enhance and decorate them so that each card can be unique, and you can enjoy sending them to family and friends. Thanks so much for watching about our Stampendous quick cards.